Hey, gadget lovers! Many people these days struggle with slow, outdated graphics cards without even realizing it. Upgrading your GPU will upgrade your entire PC experience in ways you didn't know were possible, from buttery smooth gaming to blazing fast creative work. And we have the best options ready and waiting. But first, make sure to use our links in the description below, because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about, and they help support our channel at no extra cost to you. Let's get into the list. Number 5. maxsun AMD Radeon RX 554GB. Kicking off our list in the value domain is the maxsun AMD Radeon RX 550. This compact budget-friendly card is your ticket to a solid, no-fuss computing upgrade. With its AMD Radeon RX 550 chipset and 4GB of GDDR5 memory, this little powerhouse is perfect for getting your system up and running for everyday tasks, 3D CAD work, video editing, and even some light 1080p gaming. Its 9cm unique fan is designed to provide low noise and huge airflow, keeping things cool without being disruptive. Features like a silver-plated PCB and all-solid capacitors provide lower temperatures and higher stability for long-term reliability. You get support for modern standards like DirectX 12 and 4K video decode, along with a versatile selection of outputs including DVI-D, HDMI, and DisplayPort. For anyone building a small form-factor PC or just needing a dependable upgrade from ancient integrated graphics, the maxsun RX 550 delivers incredible value and gets the job done without straining your wallet. A fantastic starting point. Number 4. MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 306012GB. Stepping up into the realm of serious gaming performance, we have the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060. This card is an overall pick for a very good reason, offering a fantastic balance of price and power. Built on NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, it comes packed with 12GB of speedy GDDR6 memory, making it a beast at 1080p and a very capable contender for 1440p gaming. With a boost clock speed of 1807 MHz, it handles modern titles with ease. But the real magic of the RTX 3060 lies in its advanced features. You get the power of DLSS and real-time ray tracing, which dramatically improve visual fidelity and performance in supported games. MSI's Torx twin fans keep the thermals in check, ensuring your gaming sessions remain cool and quiet. With 3 DisplayPort and 1 HDMI 2.1 output, it can even drive displays at a massive 7680 by 4320 resolution. If you're looking for a proven, highly rated card that delivers a premium gaming experience without the premium next-gen price tag, the MSI RTX 3060 remains a top-tier choice that thousands of gamers have trusted. Number 3. Sapphire Pulse AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT Gaming OC. Breaking into the top 3, we enter the latest generation of graphics technology, starting with the Sapphire Pulse AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT. This card is an Amazon's choice for its outstanding performance and value in the new RDNA 4 lineup. It's equipped with a massive 16GB of GDDR6 memory on a 128-bit interface, making it an absolute monster for high-resolution gaming and demanding creative applications where that extra VRAM is crucial. Sapphire is a brand renowned for its quality and cooling solutions, and this Pulse model lives up to that reputation. With output options including 2 HDMI and 1 DisplayPort, it offers great flexibility for multi-monitor setups. For gamers and creators who want to get in on the ground floor of the latest AMD architecture, offering excellent performance per dollar and that future-proof 16GB frame buffer, the Sapphire Pulse RX 9060 XT is a compelling and highly recommended option that delivers a top-notch experience. Number 2. GIGABYTE Radeon RX 9060 XT Gaming OC 16 Wii. Taking the second spot is another powerhouse from the new generation, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 9060 XT Gaming OC. This card also features that formidable 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory, but Gigabyte brings its own unique strengths to the table. It's powered by PCIe 5.0 for maximum bandwidth compatibility with new systems. Where this model really shines is in its cooling. The WindForce cooling system, featuring Hawk fans and server-grade thermal conductive gel, works tirelessly to dissipate heat, allowing for higher and more stable boost clocks out of the box. And let's not forget the aesthetics. It comes with customizable RGB lighting to add a personal touch to your build. It's a card that doesn't just perform brilliantly, it also looks the part and is built with durability in mind. If you appreciate robust cooling performance, a trusted brand name, and a bit of stylistic flair with your high-end hardware, the GIGABYTE Gaming OC model is an absolutely stellar choice. Number 1. ASUS, the SFF-ready Prime GeForce RTX 5070 12GB. And finally, claiming our number 1 spot is the absolute cutting-edge ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070. This card is built on the revolutionary NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and is ready to define the next era of PC gaming and content creation. With 12 gigabytes of next-generation GDDR7 memory and support for DLSS 4, it offers unparalleled performance and efficiency. What makes the ASUS Prime version so special is its SFF-ready design. It's an enthusiast-grade GeForce card specifically engineered to be compatible with small form-factor builds, a dream come true for ITX enthusiasts. Its Axial Tech fans are engineered with a smaller hub and longer blades to create immense downward air pressure, while a phase-change thermal pad ensures optimal heat transfer for enhanced reliability. The 2.5 slot design is a genius compromise, allowing for greater compatibility in compact cases without sacrificing the cooling performance of a much larger card. With native DisplayPort 2.1b and HDMI 2.1b outputs, it's ready for the monitors of tomorrow. For those who demand the latest technology, want to experience the magic of DLSS 4, and need a powerful GPU that fits in a compact chassis, the ASUS Prime RTX 5070 isn't just the best, it's in a league of its own.